Hey guys, today I'm going to attempt to address my strawberry plant problem. It was 3 years ago that I planted, I think 12 plants. And yeah, they set runners like crazy. There's weeds everywhere. I had lower production, smaller berries this year, so I am going to rip them all out and replant them. So we'll see how it goes. I'll show you my tools here. So I will wear my gloves today. I've got some alfalfa pelletized for adding organic matter to this area. It is mostly sand. It didn't get the nice garden soil in here. I got some Biotone starter fertilizer. I don't have a whole lot left, so we'll have to get some more of that. Got a rake and a shovel, which I may go get my flat nose shovel. I'm not sure yet. But I also wanted to talk about the anatomy of a strawberry plant here. So as you can see, this one had set runners. That's what those strings are here. We got leaves, we got pushing new growth here. They're very healthy plants. So when we replant these, we're gonna replant them just above these bottom roots. So this right here is what's called the crown, and you do not want to have that below the soil level because the plants will rot. So you want to plant them real high. It looks really strange, but that's what these plants like. All right, gonna give her a go here. So I realized I forgot to show what this area looks like before we get started here. Yeah, grassy mess with some strawberries in there somewhere. I've been working for about 45 minutes, maybe half hour, and I got this tiny spot done so far. Got a whole basket of weeds and a whole bucket of strawberries. So this is just gonna take forever, but I'll be happy it's done. When come spring, I can just focus on other things. I've got all of them planted that I'm probably gonna get done today. So just wanted to remind you guys, don't plant the crown too deep, okay? It will look really funny sticking out of the ground here. That's the way it's supposed to be. I'll water these in really good. You can see, got my pellets. I put the Biotone starter fertilizer in there too. And we have, I think, 21 plants in here now. I'm also gonna put some pine shavings down here to suppress the weeds, because obviously that was a problem before. So now I have a ton of free strawberries to give away. All right, thanks for joining today.